सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्यास्ते सुखं वशी नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन्न कारयम्. When the embodied living being controls his nature and mentally renounces all actions, he resides happily in the city of Nine Gate, the metal body, neither working nor causing work to be done. So this is a way of peace and happiness. Prabhupada was in America. At that time when he landed, there was a big rallies going on, peace rallies, because of the Vietnam War. There was a revolt. First thing, the war was not popular in the country. On top of it, America was in trouble. They were losing people there. So they made a draft board. Imagine, superpower made a draft board forcing youngsters to join the war, which they don't want to join. There was an open revolt against the country. Okay. So at that time, Prabhupada was there in America, right time. People are fed up with their culture, they're fed up with everything, and it was a time for looking for something new, and he landed up. Prabhupada जी अमेरिका में पहुंचे तो उस समय पूरा विद्रोह चल रहा था, particularly जितना युवक लोग हैं, कंट्री उस समय कैसा वियतनाम वॉर में फंसी थी. किसी को इच्छा नहीं थी उस वॉर की, किसी तरह कंट्री पॉलिटिकली दे वर स्टक, आई थिंक कम्युनिस्ट समथिंग. एंड बिल्कुल ठीक टाइम है प्रभुपाद जी को अमेरिका पहुंचने का, बिकॉज ही वॉज लुकिंग फॉर यंगस्टर्स. दे आर फेड अप विद मटेरियलिज्म, दे आर फेड अप टोटली, पूरी तरह से तंग हो चुके थे सांसारिक जीवन से. तो उस समय बहुत रैली चल रही थी. कौन सी रैली, क्या बोलते हैं उनको, पीस रैली, शांति रैली. सो प्रभुपाद मेड अ लीफलेट, बोला ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो सबको. ये क्या मूर्ख बोल रहे हैं, पीस. So what is the peace formula Prabhupada distributed? He did not write the shloka, he wrote the translation. Bhokta Ram Niyakapatapasam Sarvaloka Maheshwaram Suhridam Sarvabhutanam Gyatvam Shantim Rachati. Kisme which chapter the shloka comes? 5th chapter, last shloka. Okay? Bhokta Ram Niyakapatapasam. If you want peace, you should understand Krishna is the only enjoyer. Okay? We don't accept that. Therefore we fight. I am the enjoyer, you say you are the enjoyer, he said he is the enjoyer, and then you fight. But actually only Krishna is the enjoyer. Then there is peace. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram. Now Vietnam, you are saying you are the proprietor, they are the proprietor, it belongs to Krishna. So again there is peace. Correct? लोग लड़ाई करते हैं ना, 2 प्लॉट हैं, 1 इंच 1 सेंट मेरा है, वो बोलता है मेरा है, कोर्ट में जाके लड़ते हैं. ये समझ नहीं सब भगवान का है, मेरे को बस एडमिनिस्टर करना है. करेक्ट? इट्स अ डिफरेंट प्लेटफॉर्म. जस्ट लाइक इंडिया में इतने सारे स्टेट्स हैं, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स स्टेट्स व्हेन डिवाइडेड रीऑर्गेनाइज, देयर इज नो वॉर नीडेड, जस्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इशू. ठीक है? इट्स नॉट इम्प्रैक्टिकल, इट्स प्रैक्टिकल एक्चुअली. Sarvaloka Maheshwaram, everything Krishna is owner. I am just, I come and I go. I come for some time in this world and I claim it is mine and I go. Everything belongs to Krishna, it remains with Krishna. Suhridam Sarva Bhutanam. Krishna is the best well-wisher for all the living entities. How does this help in peace? Yes, we get so much worked up. Your child has gone, he's studying somewhere, you are very intentional. What is happening? Your duty as a mother, you should be intention, but finally you have faith, God will take care. You become very peaceful. Correct? Otherwise, there was recently somewhere, if you want, you can be so much anxiety you can't sleep. There are reasons. Just like in Mangalore, it's full of snakes. You are sleeping, you can have that tension that snake will come through the window and you can't sleep. Somewhere you have to have faith in Krishna and then you can sleep. Some people don't get sleep. Why? They have no faith in Krishna. If you have faith in Krishna, you can very well sleep. And Prabhupada was there at his home and his wife was not cooperating. He had the order of his guru to spread Krishna consciousness, and his guru was coming in his ring. Take sannyas, take sannyas. And Prabhupada was looking, I have a whole family, how it is possible, I can't do this. He could not do. He said, my guru was pushing me because he wanted him to take up the mission. But anyway, so it came to the situation that his wife was completely, non-cooperation movement chal raha tha ghar mein. Prabhupada is here preaching, is taking class, and wife is not at all interested, will be taking tea and biscuits in another room. That time in India, taking tea was also like very serious thing, A pure family they will not touch. She will not interested at all in non-cooperation. And one day, he had a lot of books with him in his house, because that's how you write. You don't write, imagine. If suppose you have to write a commentary on Gita, you have to consult all the commentaries of acharyas, then write. Correct? अगर आपको गीता का टिप्पणी लिखना है, ये नहीं कि अपना मन से जो मन लिख दिया, नहीं, बड़े बड़े आचार्य का कमेंट्री साथ रख. प्रभुपाद जी ऐसे ही तो लिखा. जब भी प्रभुपाद जी बाद में भी अराउंड वर्ल्ड जाते थे, एक बड़ा ट्रंक जाता था उनके गुरु का टिप्पणी, उनके गुरु का टिप्पणी, अपने संप्रदाय में ही 10-15 टिप्पणी, एंड देन दूसरे संप्रदाय में ही विल रीड से बहुत मध्वाचार्य, रामानुजाचार्य सेट, वीर राघवाचार्य सेट, पर श्रीधर स्वामी, so many big acharyas, he will keep all that, and he will read what they say for the shloka, and he'll think for some time, then he will write. He was so careful. So he did that actually exercise even in India, and he lost all those books which he had collected with great difficulty. पहले it's not easy to get this book. अभी जैसा printing नहीं था पहले. कोई प्रिंट हुआ किताब 500 कॉपीज, बहुत मुश्किल होता उसको पकड़ना. करें? अभी तो 10,000 प्रिंट होता है पट. So it was not so easy. Very great difficulty. He had collected all those books, all gone from the house. So he asked his wife, where are the books? So I sold for tea. रद्दी में भेज दिया चाय के लिए. रद्दी में भेजते हैं ना कभी कभी बाटर में. You give the book, even now it is a paper wala, they give you some money, and she bought some tea and brought home. So he got really irritated. तुमको चाय चाहिए, मैं चाहिए. So ऐसे ही मजाक में बोला, मेरे को चाय चाहिए, तुम्हारा क्या करूँगी. So Prabhupada, he walked out of the house with the suitcase and all. The wife thought ये तो जाता रहता है, बहुत बारी जाता है business में. So she didn't know he had gone for good now. Because anyway he had a mission of his spiritual master. He took it as an indication. Many other things had happened parallelly. Business had collapsed, so many things. So they were a trigger now. Finally, sometimes you want to break something. Khali last piece bacha, ek last stroke, thak. it broke. And then he took up the mission of his spiritual master. So at that time, Prabhupada said, I used to feel, when that thought came to my mind. Today I am thinking I will manage my family. Now actually children are grown up, family is running, but still that is there. But if I die, who will take care of the family? God will take care. So now also he will take care. He came to fulfill the mission of his spiritual master. So Suhridam Sarva Bhutana when you have, then only you can be peaceful. Correct? अगर हर समय चिंता में रहें, चिंता के लिए तो 1 करोड़ का आपको मिल सकते हैं, है ना. रात को सोयो. अभी मैं एक सुना, पानी, आप कुछ नदी हैं कलकत्ता में, उधर आप नहाओ अगर पौंड में, एक नया तरह का वो आया है, वो नाक से सीधा सिर में जाता है और सारा ब्रेन सेल खा देता है, मर जाता है. विदिन 1 वीक आदमी मर जाता है. सम पॉन्ड दे फाउंड, दैट इज देयर स्विमिंग पूल्स. दैट्स अ स्विमिंग पूल में क्लिप लगा के करते हैं, मैंने देखा है, प्रोफेशनल्स. तो अगर डरना चाहते हो तो बहुत चीज़ है डरने के लिए. अभी नया वायरस आ गया, क्या जीका वायरस, ठीक है. हमेशा डर के लिए इस दुनिया में बहुत है. रास्ते में चलते हो मैंगलोर में तो कोकोनट सीधा सिर पे पड़ सकता है, आप नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकते, कितना देखोगे आगे हिट करोगे. जस्ट लाइक आई हर्ड इन सीरिया, वहाँ पे कंटिन्यूस बॉम्बिंग होता रहता है, तो लोग एक दूसरे एक्सीडेंट्स बहुत हो रहे हैं क्योंकि लोग आगे नहीं देखते, लोग ऊपर देखते हैं. कोई एयरक्राफ्ट तो नहीं है. तो सेम वे अगर मैंगलोर में अगर चलना है तो आपको नीचे नहीं ऊपर देख सकते हो, कोकोनट तो नहीं गिरेगा सिर में, देन यू विल हैव एन एक्सीडेंट. देयर आर पीपल, आई नो वन वेरी फेमस प्रोफेसर ऑफ कैनरा, PU is there. He had a very famous and well known in the city. He had a full leaf of coconut tree fall on his back when he was driving, and he became paralyzed. So it is, if you want to be fearful, there are enough things. Suhridam sarva bhutanam. Krishna is the best well-wisher for me and other people whom we are caring about. Don't worry, Krishna will take care. Take all the three, otherwise you cannot have peace. Krishna is the only enjoy. Don't try to be enjoy. That's artificial. I'll develop on that later. What is the second thing? Krishna is the only proprietor. बेमतलब में लौड़ो मरो नहीं, सब कुछ भगवान का है, तुम्हारा नहीं है. तुम्हारा है मेरे को जैसे लैपटॉप. अब ये नहीं कि कोई बोला मैं ले जाता हूँ, नहीं नहीं नहीं, मेरे को यूज़ करना है कृष्णा सर्विस के लिए. आई गॉट इट फॉर दैट. बट एज द प्रोप्रीटरशिप बिजनेस शुड नॉट बी देयर. ठीक है, दैट फीलिंग पजेसिंग बिजनेस. प्रॉपर से समबडी कोई करोड़पति हो सकता है एंड फुली डिटैच्ड, और भिकमंगा हो सकता है अटैच्ड. पॉसिबल. लाइक युधिष्ठिर महाराज करोड़पति, डिटैच्ड. व्हेन ही केम टू नो कृष्णा हैज़ वाइंडेड हिज पास टाइम, ही वॉकड आउट ऑफ द पैलेस, सीधा निकल गया पैलेस से, कोई अटैचमेंट नहीं था. भरत महाराज, सो मेनी एग्जाम्पल, कोई अटैचमेंट. राजा ऋषिस एंड हो सकता है किसी का 2 रुपया उसको ऐसा पकड़ के बैठा है, बहुत अटैचमेंट. करेक्ट. सो मनी डजंट डिटरमाइन अटैचमेंट, इट्स नॉट, बट अटैचमेंट डिटरमिन्स अनदर वे. So these qualification makes a person peaceful. Another way, we look at how to sit in the body of 9 holes. Correct? All of us, they are noticing everything with nature. Studying this point, all examples are concerning nature, because लोग प्रकृति के साथ रहते थे. ये सीमेंट के डब्बे में नहीं रहते थे. They were living in prakriti. They all symbolisms are from the birds, from animals, from nature. Correct? All the animals have the same 9 holes, the city of 9. Therefore, we can know it's a design. Just like Maruti company makes new car they are launching now. Overall design is similar. 4 पहिए हैं, engine है, ये है. Based on that, they do modification. The same way Brahma also makes city of 9 gates, body of 9 gates, and he start designing different ways. ये model, ये model, ये model, ये model, सब अलग-अलग model ही बना रहे. Correct? So we can understand. They say because we see the one model, so many model, one became another. It shows one company has made all the models. Maruti 800 doesn't become Maruti 1000 or latest. Correct? Yeah, it's all same company, same designer. He continues the hierarchy of forms, which we also see in this same thing we see in this word also. There is hierarchy of forms, which shows that there is the same principle, same designer. So city of 9 gates. This happens many times. Students write to me before exam. Sir, not able to study, no peace. And always I give the same answer, and always immediately after the answer they disconnect. The answer I give them, that is given in Bhagavatam first canto. क्या आंसर है? बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि पढ़ाई का मन नहीं कर रहा, एग्जाम आ रहे हैं कल, पढ़ नहीं पा रहा, कुछ बोलो सर. And what is the answer? Prabhupada said, if you have to have peace of mind and happiness, your mind should be pure. Your mind should be satisfied. A dissatisfied mind, a dirty mind cannot be peaceful. Correct? अगर मन को शांत होना है, मन को खुश होना है, तो उसको संतोष होना चाहिए मन को, और मन शुद्ध होना चाहिए. ये दोनों चीज़ अगर नहीं है तो मन कभी शांत और खुश नहीं हो सकता. एंड अगर आपको मन को संतोष चाहिए, मन को शुद्ध चाहिए, तो उसके लिए आपके कर्म शुद्ध होने चाहिए. और कर्म शुद्ध होने के लिए ये 4 पाप कर्म छोड़ो. मतलब ये आपको मालूम है क्या, चलो दारू छोड़ो, सुट्टा छोड़ो, व्हाट द अदर थिंग जैसे जुआ छोड़ो, ये सब छोड़ो, मन शांत हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिकली, खुशी हो जाएगी. बट व्हेन दे हियर दैट दे इमीडिएटली डिस्कनेक्ट बिकॉज दे कैन नॉट गिव इट. So we cannot give some magic formula. There is no magic formula possible. You have to give up this. And if you give up the 4 vices, immediately your activities are pure. Then your mind is pure. When your mind is pure, you get peace of mind, there is happiness. So your formula, peace formula. What is another peace formula? Your activities should be pure. Activities to be pure, you should follow 4 regulative. So follow 4 regulative principles, your activities become pure. When activities become pure, your mind becomes pure. When mind becomes pure, mind is peaceful and happy. क्या क्या ये साइकोलॉजिस्ट बनाते हैं, इसको बताओ जरा, नहीं समझ आएगा उनको. Because I ask many psychologists, the people come to you for peace of mind. Yes. Do you tell them to give up 4 sinful habits? No. Why no? No business then. People, just like people disconnect from me, they will also just say, very nice, very nice. They'll just walk out of the place. 90% people cannot give up drinking today. What they will? Your 90% customers are left that only. Then you add to it no meat, जो भी अच्छा था वो भी खड़ा होकर चला जाएगा, तो आपका बिजनेस बंद. करेक्ट? So they don't. They were telling me rather these are the escape places for them. It is needed. When they are disturbed, this is the only thing they can. जब मन डिस्टर्ब होता है इन्हीं चीज़ों को जो कर सकते हैं, और क्या करेगा आदमी. They have created a whole nonsense philosophy. Actually, only the file remains. If you hear any psychologist, the file never closes. वो file बड़ी होती रहती है बस. They can't solve the problem. So actually, if you want real peace, what you should do? You should have activities pure. Then you can be peaceful. Your life should be sinless. Then you can be peaceful and happy. When you're breaking the laws of nature, you're breaking the laws of the Lord. Just like अभी कोई चोरी किया है, वो शांति से बैठ सकता है क्या यहाँ पे? Always worried. एक siren की आवाज़. Prabhupada says that example once. In his colony where he was living, some police people came. So he suddenly saw 2-3 people running away. So Prabhupada went to the police. Why they are running away? He said, we may not be after them, but वो चोर है 100%. डर किस चीज़ का? हमको डर नहीं लगता. पुलिस आई, हाँ क्या हुआ अभी हमको, लेकिन एक बारी चोरी कर ली ना, वो दिल में छुपा रहता है. आज पकड़ा गया. दैट ऑलवेज द फियर इज देयर. करेक्ट? सो सेम वे जब भगवान के नियम तोड़ोगे, दिल में भय जाता है. आज अब गया मैं. यू कैन नॉट बी पीसफुल. Maya will not allow you to be peaceful if you break some laws. That is another way for peace. And another way is that Prabhupada said peace will be there when you are natural. When you are natural. Sarupena vavasthitihi. Mukti hitva अन्यथा रूपम स्वरूपेण भवस्थितिः. ये इसी को बोलते हैं मुक्ति. मुक्ति ये नहीं कि 4 हाथ हो जाएंगे, 10 पैर हो जाएंगे. मुक्ति मतलब आप अपने स्वरूप में आ जाते हैं. Anything unnatural, it is difficult. Just like water, for an example, the nature is to be liquid. But by putting temperature, we can artificially make it ice. ठीक है ना? But in the water means it should be liquid. So similarly, the soul's nature is to serve Krishna. ये बहुत खुशी होती है. लेकिन artificially, by putting modes of nature, you can become, just like it's saying, the soul sitting in the body of 9 gates. Actually is peaceful, but because of the modes of material nature, you start identifying with the body. There is a force of the Maya because we identify with the body. So same way, the soul is actually peaceful. It is a servant of Krishna. But because of Maya, what happens to the soul? You start identifying with the body, and then it is in trouble. That's why the soul goes into trouble. Because of modes, Maya, it identifies with the body. And therefore, we come to the one more angle. And the last is the famous shloka of Chaitanya Charitamrita. What is that? Bhukti, Mukti. Bhukti, Mukti, Siddhi, Kami, Sakale, Ashanta, Krishna Bhakta, Nishkama, Ateva Shanta. Because Krishna Bhakta is natural. You understand what is natural? If you do anything artificial, you will always be disturbed. कुछ भी artificial करोगे हमेशा disturb रहोगे. अपना natural. Just like हर आदमी सेवा करना चाहता है. Actually वो एंड में अपनी इंद्रियों की सेवा कर रहा है, लेकिन at the I am serving the society in this way, that way, another person in this way, that way. ये जब सेवा भगवान की तरफ जाती है तो आदमी खुश हो जाता है. ठीक है. सो मुक्ति, जब आदमी मुक्ति चाहता है उसमें कुछ चाह रहा है, कुछ सेल्फिशनेस है. ही इज नॉट, वो भगवान की सेवा करना नहीं चाहता, खुद कुछ करना चाहता. मुक्ति. हाँ, देन मुक्ति, भुक्ति, मुक्ति. फर्स्ट इज भुक्ति. भुक्ति मीन्स भोग करना. वो तो जानवर है, कुछ मनुष्य भी जानवर जैसे ही हैं. उनको मुक्ति नहीं चाहिए. वो पागलों की तरह है. दे कीप ड्रीमिंग सेंस एंजॉयमेंट एंड दे कीप डिजायरिंग एंड ड्रीमिंग. जैसे स्वप्न में ऐसा होगा, ऐसा हो गया. जितने लोग डे ड्रीमिंग भी करते हैं, व्हेन यू आर इन कॉलेज वी आल्सो यूज्ड टू डू डे ड्रीमिंग. मैं ऐसा बन जाऊंगा, ऐसा बन जाऊंगा, लोग ताली बजाएंगे. ठीक है, ये बोलते हैं दिन का. बेसिकली डे ड्रीमिंग मीन्स यू वांट टू बी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन. दैट इज ऑलवेज द डे ड्रीम. लोग बैठे आँख खोल के डे ड्रीमिंग करते हैं. करें, ऐसा हो जाएगा, ऐसा होगा. सब लोग, इवन एज द डिवोटी वी कैन डू डे ड्रीमिंग. हाँ मैं जाऊँगा, सब लोग ताली बजाएंगे, सब लोग नमस्कार करेंगे. इट्स ऑल सेंस ग्रेटिफिकेशन. दैट इज नॉट डिवोशन. दैट इज समथिंग अननेचुरल. अगेन यू आर कमिंग अंडर माया के ग्रिप में. ठीक है. देन यू लूज योर satisfaction of a devotee. Prabhupada says devotee has no ambition. Very nicely. Once parents had come, so Prabhupada was explaining to parents to Krishna consciousness. In fact, he used to explain so nicely. They used to give donation and go. First, Prabhupada used to say, you must be so proud, you have such a nice son or a daughter. They'll be so happy. He used to always, because he was naturally encouraging them. There was nothing duplicity. He never duplicated anything. He is so happy they have taken Krishna. Young flowers of your country have taken Krishna. They'll be so happy. So then Prabhupada said, they have actually no ambition. So they were immediately taken, no ambition. So one devotee was there, he explained, no, they don't have material ambition. Prabhupada said, they have no material, he has no spiritual, he has no ambition. He just wants to serve the Lord. Then he is shan, बहुत खुश हो जाता है. Devotee has to be simple. The moment he start developing some desire for mana, puja, pratishtha, then he lost. He lost his happiness of Krishna consciousness. Then something else. And he also wants something selfish. It is unnatural. Unnatural stage means you cannot be happy. You are not peaceful. Only in your own natural stage you become very peaceful. Anything you try which is artificial to your original nature, you cannot be happy. Savai pumsa paradharma yata bhakti adokshajay ahituki pratiyata yadatma suprasidati. Say that is the topmost dharma, occupation. Yata bhakti adokshajay, which gives you devotion to the Lord, because that is your natural position. And how it should be devotion? Without any break, without any interruption. And what will happen? It will give you complete satisfaction and complete peace. Okay? So dharma means to bring you under natural position. So then coming back to this bhukti, mukti. Some people want mukti. Some people want bhukti like an animal. Sense gratification like an animal. They keep imagining. We can discuss for hours this. And second thing, some people want mukti. They want to be independent from this world. They understand that I am not the enjoyer. They understand that there is no enjoyment in this world. That much they understand. Mukti people. And they want liberated from the harassment of modes of this world, mukti. But they want something. They want mukti. And bhukti, he wants sense gratification. Siddhi, he wants some powers. But devotee does not want anything. Many per time somebody was telling me, no, you also want something. We said, no, we don't want anything. In fact, we don't want peace also. It automatically comes. Mukti we don't want, it automatically. It says, what is that? Kritanjali, what is the shloka? It says for a devotee, mukti, dharma, artha, kama, moksha, mukti, all are waiting to serve him as maid servant. Big queue is there outside. He is not interested. Every opulence that a person can imagine is already waiting. You want, he is not interested. You think for Narada anything is there which he wants is not available. Anything 1 second, correct? जब आप कृष्ण का भक्त बन जाएंगे, सब कुछ क्यू में खड़ा रहता है, चाहिए ले लो, लेकिन भक्त को नहीं चाहिए. ही इज़ नॉट इंटरेस्टेड. ऑल ऑनर इज अवेलेबल. ही इज़ द मोस्ट ऑनरेबल पोजिशन इज ऑफ अ डिवोटी. ऑल siddhis are available if he wants, because Yogeshwara is behind him. Correct? It was not Arjuna सिद्धि सीख रहा था, सारी सिद्धियाँ दिखी युद्ध में, सब कुछ कर दिया. जब इतना बड़ा अस्त्र कर्ण ने फेंका तो चैरिटी नीचे चला गया. वन सेंस कृष्णा इज डूइंग, बट सारी सिद्धियाँ आ गई ना उसके पास, बिकॉज कृष्णा इज देयर विद हिम. करेक्ट? ही इज प्रोटेक्टेड फुली. सो सेम वे the devotee is fully protected, is very peaceful. He does not want anything actually. Krishna gives him everything. So bhukti, mukti, siddhi, kami, sakala. So devotee doesn't want. Sometimes some people say you're very selfish. Yeah, that is true for some spiritualists जो जंगल जाके बैठे रहते, शांति ढूंढ रहे. Devotee is not interested in that. He understand मैं कृष्ण का भक्त हूँ, मेरा ये कर्तव्य है, मेरा भगवान का सेवा करना. वो सोच नहीं रहा कि मेरे को क्या मिलेगा इससे. I used to tell that joke, no? One college, one faculty used to organize my classes. So he used to go room by room asking all faculty people, come, class is there. तो एक faculty बोला क्या फ़ायदा है क्या फ़ायदा है, तो नहीं आओ. बोला ये फ़ायदा सोच रहे हो तो नहीं आओ. इसे फ़ायदा सोच के नहीं करने का, ये this is not the line. We don't want anything. I am a servant of Krishna. It's my duty to pay obeisance to him. It's my duty. I am a servant of the great Acharya. It's my duty to obeisance to him. I don't want anything. I don't want a favor. Correct? जब भी कोई आदमी सपोज आपके यहाँ आता है, कुछ बात कर रहा है, he wants something. Always. He wants something. Correct? Some stranger comes to your house, very respectfully talking something. Something he wants. रोड में भी sometimes some people come, they start talking to you. After some time they tell you, 50 रुपये चाहिए, अर्जेंट, बस का फेयर नहीं है. Always the story. He wants that money for drinking. But they will tell some urgent, some crisis story. Very common. Mangalore it is less. Other cities, so it's very common. But Mangalore, you will get enough people. So they want something, correct? But here, a devotee comes to the temple of the Lord. Lord, what do you want? Nothing. I don't want anything. The famous instance, the Narasimhadev asked Prahlad Maharaj, what do you want? He says, no, I don't want anything. I saw my father so powerful. 1 second he finished it. So what? I am not interested in all this thing. I saw for myself how temporary he was. He was thinking he is a big king. He is the control of the universe. Correct? हिरण्यकशिपु क्या क्या सोच रहा था, मैं ये हूँ. एक क्षण में ख़त्म हो गया सब कुछ. तो मेरे को ये कुछ नहीं चाहिए. और आप रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करिए, मेरे शरीर में तो दानव का खून बह रहा है, तरह तरह की चीज़ों की इच्छा है, आप पूछिए मत. ही वॉज वेरी हम्बल, बहुत बड़ा भक्त है. सो ही वॉज ऑलवेज इन अ वेरी हम्बल पोजिशन. ठीक है. सो इन दैट वे वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड डिवोटी डज नॉट वांट एनीथिंग. देन ओनली वी कैन सिट वेरी पीसफुली इन द सिटी ऑफ 9 gates. We are all there sitting in the city of 9 gates. The moment you desire something, then Maya will start the work. Okay? The moment you feel, no, I am here just to serve Krishna, 24 hours, you should be peaceful. Correct? People will try to put you on anxiety, but that is not our work. Devotee lives every moment very peacefully, satisfied by what Krishna has given him. Lives very peacefully. Log bolenge, sometimes no. Somebody was telling, why you people keep smiling? क्योंकि ठेका ले रखा है क्या टेंशन लेने का? क्या हम खुश रहेंगे? अरे 2 दिन जीना है, खुश रहो, टेंशन से क्यों मारना है? क्या हमने थोड़ी, किसी ने बोला थोड़ी टेंशन लेने का, वो लोगों लेने का टेंशन, किस लिए लेने का टेंशन? खुश रहने का हमेशा. कितने 2 दिन का बोलते हैं ना, ज़िंदगी है, टेंशन क्यों लेने का? प्रभुपाद यूज्ड टू से, कुछ लोग हैं अपना लाइफ बनाना चाहते हैं आजकल, तरह तरह के तरीके निकाले, बोल रहे हैं आइस में आपको डाल देंगे, फिर 200 साल बाद उठाएंगे, तब तक शायद कोई मेडिसिन निकल गई होगी कि आप मरोगे नहीं. अब बहुत लोग हैं, पैसा धंधा है अच्छा, दे पे फॉर 100-200 ईयर्स, करोड़ों रुपए. सेठों से पैसे निकालने के तरीके लोगों ने निकाल रखे हैं. उसे पैसा ले लेते हैं, बर्फ़ में दबा देते हैं उसको. वो कौन निकालेगा उसको? कहाँ कब दवाई बनने वाली है जिससे कोई मरेगा नहीं? समटाइम जैसे इस बीमारी का भी इलाज नहीं है, आपको बर्फ़ में डाल देते हैं, फिर 100 साल बाद जब इलाज निकले को उठा देंगे. फिर उसके बाद जैसे अभी आ गया जीका वायरस, अभी है इसका तरीका नहीं है, तो बर्फ़ में दबा देंगे आपको, 50-60 साल बाद उठाएंगे, फिर वैक्सीन डाल देंगे, आप मरोगे नहीं. ऐसे लोग बोलेंगे, आपसे पकड़ लेंगे, 50 लाख 2 करोड़ पकड़ लेंगे उसके लिए. लोग भी खुश हैं. सो ऑल दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स पीपल मे टेल अस, बट अ डिवोटी wants to live very peacefully, He doesn't develop anxieties, because anxiety sometimes is used by the society for so many things. He lives very peacefully. So the point was this. So just like Prabhupada gave a counter, just like पेड़ है, पेड़ तो जी रहे हैं ना, कुछ पेड़ 5-5 हज़ार साल तक जीते हैं. क्या फ़ायदा हुआ ऐसे जीने का? क्या फ़ायदा हुआ ऐसे जीने का? शंकराचार्य कितना उम्र रहा था? 32 ईयर्स. पूरा पृथ्वी हिला दिया खाली 32 साल में. कह रहे कोई कंपेयर नहीं कर सकता. पूरा बुद्धिज्म ही नष्ट कर दिया इंडिया से. इतना पावरफुल आचार्य. उसके बाद आप देखो चैतन्य महाप्रभु 48 ईयर्स ओनली, 10,000 साल का गोल्डन एज शुरू कर दिया खाली 48 ईयर्स में. व्हाट? सो लिविंग मीन्स लिविंग इन कॉन्शियसनेस. दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. लिविंग लाइक एन एनिमल, व्हाट इज द यूज? इट्स नॉट लाइफ. Living means living in consciousness. So therefore we should live in pure Krishna consciousness. Even if Krishna wants to live for a short time, doesn't matter. Live happily in pure Krishna consciousness. And for that what we should do? Chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.